Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create Finale. Now I would say this is the most complicated thing on the map making program, so don't expect this to be easy. This is going to be complicated. Just take things slow, step by step, and don't rush yourself. Right, so open up your hammer and create the map. I've just got a little map here with some water, and I'm going to be using the boat example. Right, so first things first, we need to make the trigger. So click the entity tool and write in the object or class trigger underscore finale and click where you want it to be. A picture of a German radio will come up, I think it is. I'm going to change the model because I want a ham radio. If I write in radio, I want this one. Click apply, rotate it 180 degrees. Right, so now this in place, that's the radio done. So that's so far all we need to do off game. So now just compile your map and load the game up quickly. Right, so now if I open up my Left 4 Dead, well, I've named it Finale Tutorial. Right, so the map will load. Yeah. So now you just do all the nav editings which you normally do. So if I just write svcheats1, now I've just got edit mark underscore. What I'm doing basically, guys, is just marking the nav what we usually do. So the mark workable, generate incremental. Right, so it's loaded now, and this is right, so we need to clear the selected set. Select this by writing nav underscore toggle in selected set and mark it as your player start. Right, so now that we've done this, so now we need to do a nav underscore select underscore radius 1500. Right, and mark it finale. Right, so that's done all this area. I think it should have. Or it's done this area. But if I wanted to do this, it's done that area, and that area up there. And if you missed a spot out which you wanted to do, just redo and add it in again. But it's alright for me. So just go to my console now, nav save, nav underscore analyze. Right. So the map is unplayable thing is gone. That's good. Right, so that's our sorted. Now we need to go back to our hammer. If I just minimize this for the time being. Right. I'm gonna go back to my trigger now and name it. So I'm gonna name it I don't know. Finale, I'll name it for now. Right. So now that we've done this, guys. Right. Now we need to add the boat. So I'm gonna add it out here somewhere. So click the entity tool, prop underscore dynamic. Click on the water, world model, and I'm gonna write in boat. Right, so there'll be a few which come up. Now we want the right one. So right there. Let's have a look. Right, we've got two here. I'm gonna use this one. It's a vehicle, which is good, and just adjust it to the water, guys. Right now, I'm gonna just check the other model a second. I think I'm going to use Fishing 02 instead. That's the right one. Right, 'cause this has got an opening, as you can see right here, which you can walk onto. Right, now that you've done this, I need to just heighten my skybox a little. Right, now that I've done this, I need to add a brush to the bottom of the boat. So we click the block tool, change the texture to trigger, and just draw from the bottom of the boat, or under the bottom of the boat, to just about halfway from the bottom, or to the bottom really. Right. As I said before, I'm not brilliant at finales, I haven't done many, but hopefully this will just help. So, as you see, I've got a trigger there, and I need to click Control T, title intensity, and write in funk_track train. There are a few settings, you need to name it, but I'm just going to do this first. You can do the speed whatever you want. Distance above track, where is it? Or the height above track, naught. Make sure I set to naught. Right, now go to your flags and make sure you have no user control, fixed orientation, and is unblockable by player. And that's pretty much done for that. Right, so now that that's done, we're going to now make the boat move. So you need to make 3-point tracks. So I'm just going to quickly move out this skybox so I can make it go straight past. I'm just going to grip the water and just drag it. Right, deal. Right, so now we go to the bottom of the boat and we need to add one here. Right guys, before we do this I'm going to go back to my radio and then rename it because I don't want to get confused here. I'm going to name it radio. Right, that's it. Right, go back to thing and add in a and put it just in the boat by like the bottom of the boat. So we need to click this and a path underscore track. It's gone a bit too far. I'll bring it to me though. So it needs to be about there. Right. Now name this stop 1. And next stop target will be stop 2. And orientation type is face direction motion. Right, so now we've done this, we need to add another one at the stop where it has to stop to, which will be by here. So if I just click the entity tool again, click in the water, now it needs to be the same height ish. So just align that on one of your grids, go in the water, and name this stop 2, and the next stop will be stop 3. Apply, and add one more where your boat's going to go off to when it's done. So if I just click the entity tool and let's say over here, I'll just go above the water because I don't want it flying off. Right. Come back here. Put the water on. Where's it gone? Over here. Right, and I need to name this stop 3. And we don't need no next stop target because it's the last stop. Right, so now we need to parent the train track, path tracks into the, yeah. Right, I've got a little bit of a gap here, just so. So let me just quickly fix this. I'll do it later, it's easier. Right. Right. Now I'm going to go to the bottom of the boat. Right, now I need to name the boat So I'm just going to name it boat, because keep things simple, and parent it to this Fun Go track train. So I'm going to call this boat and go train. I don't know. Yeah, I'll do. Right. And we need to parent the boat to it. So go to parent on the prop dynamic, and write in boat and just go train. Right, and apply and cancel. Right, I've just seen what I've done. Stupid here. I put that as a trigger texture. Need to change that to no draw. No draw and just change the texture to that. Right, I'm gonna save now. And please join me at part 2 to see the rest of the finale.